guys, welcome to my channel. So you will say, what the heck is that mess there? Well, this is what happened. The Mercedes sits outside here because the weather is so good. It's actually 104 degrees. So I covered it up so it's covered from the dust. And I remembered I saw that this mirror glass, it was vibrating last time I drove. So I thought, I'm gonna take it out and tighten up something and it will be fine. I did it and this came broke in pieces. What I did, I took the motor out and I glued it. Didn't work out with super glue. So I just put this silly tape on it and put it back on. And I ordered a new plate, this here, a brand new one. I'll show you that plate in a second. And so what we're gonna do now, we'll take the motor out, disconnect it here, and we'll replace the plate and hopefully it will snap back on because the glass is nice. So to get this out, there's holes behind here, see that? And this is broken, so I'm just gonna go in like this and take these out. And I have the wrong size here. I thought I had the right size. What is this even? I thought it was this type here, but I guess it's not. Let me go in and find the right size. Alright, I successfully took that out. There's only 3 screws. You see that 1, 2, and 3. And then this plug here comes out really easy. It doesn't want to zoom in there. It comes out really easy. So this one here is for your heated mirrors, and I just have it dangling on it. It's not ideal, but it's not for long. And we'll look at this here. Look at this messy thing here. That's the motor. And there's 1 screw here. I'm gonna get that out. And then when that's out, everything should come apart. Look at this. Get this out. We got a little spring in here. I do this one-handed. That's not smart. It's usually not going well if you do something one-handed. Anyways, there's a little cup in here where it swivels inside. And then of course the plate or whatever is left. I'm gonna take that inside and I'll show you the new plate and we'll put that on. Okay, I had to go inside. I mean, it is so hot. These temperatures here are killing me. It is hot here in the garage too. I don't have my little air conditioner on because I won't stay here too long. But this is what it is. This is the new piece. And let me tell you a couple things here. So first of all, see, there's a white pin behind here. It looks like a little ball. And that's actually an arm that comes out of the motor. And these two are responsible to go in and out and swivel your mirror around. So to get these off your old plate is a little tricky, but because my old plate was so super brittle, the plastic, it just popped out. Then when you put them in this one, you have to lower them down by hand, which is not ideal, I guess, but otherwise you can't get them in. Then you put a little bit of force and they pop right in, okay? Then in the middle, there is like a little white cup that you put in. Then there's a spring, you put that on top of it, and then this washer, then this screw. So that's super easy. This is your motor here. Looks like it's an original one, but someone had messed with it, you know? The previous owner, he never told me much about the car. Everything was perfect, but someone had messed with this. And I think someone hit something with the mirror and they tried to fix it and they bought a different glass and nothing really matched up. And then the plastic plate here got old and brittle, and then, yeah, no, I had to deal with it. Now, this one here, look, it says Bosch on it. Part number, made in Malaysia. Don't ask me if that's original or not. I bought it as original on eBay. It only cost me 12 bucks. So I don't know. It's not, I didn't buy it at Mercedes, but it said it's an original part. Is it or not? I don't know. Anyways, the motor is the original one. I didn't want to buy a new motor for it. It's about 112 because the motor worked. Now, if I put it in now and the motor fails, I will order a new motor. I mean, you guys know I'm saying I'm selling the car, but I'm a good seller, not selling a car with something broken like this without mentioning it. That's not what I do. I fix it, and if I can't fix it, I'll go down on the price, or I'll buy the parts and give them with the car. So I'm gonna go outside and I'll screw this back in just the same way we unscrewed it, and then I'll turn the engine on and see if the mirror controls work. And then the last step is to snap back on the glass, and that's a tricky one. I'm not sure how to do that. Hope I'll can figure it out. All right, I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, and that's it. I plugged the motor back in, screwed it in, snapped the glass back on, and now here's the button. I'll push that and hopefully it will move. It does, look. You see that? Yep, it moves both ways, up and down. Yep, we got that fixed. I'm glad I got that successfully fixed. So whether I keep the car or I sell it, this was a good thing to fix. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and post a comment. Thanks. Have a good day.